Hello viewers, welcome to another video. In this video I will discuss about that how to change shorts videos thumbnail. Let's start it. First of all, go to content, then shorts. Here I want to change thumbnail of these videos. This is the thumbnail of this video. Then click on pen icon. See, here haven't thumbnail changing option. Now go to YouTube, go to YouTube, make sure that here your account is sign in. Now click on view channel. Here you can see your uploaded videos. Okay, videos, then shorts, three dot, then edit, now we can see pen icon to edit shorts thumbnail. Click on this pen icon. Now here we go. Here you can change the thumbnail from this video. Okay, now click on tick mark to save this image as this shorts videos thumbnail. Then now click on save. Okay, now see our shorts videos thumbnail has changed.